Hey there, scholars. Welcome back to a new preparation episode where we'll be going through some exam questions for CSEC French. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, we are CARIBACAD, where we post weekly preparation videos for CSEC French and Spanish students. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on our content. Alright, so we're going through a two-part quiz that we've prepared for you. The first part is multiple choice, and then the second part will be testing your knowledge of les matières, subjects in French. So let's dive right into it. Où sont les poires? Il les a ici. Où sont les poires? Il les a ici. Where are the pears? They right here. So by speaking French, all answers A to D would be pronounced laisser. Laisser means to leave, or in this case we see a plus laisser, so that would be the past tense. So they left them here, right? So based on this now, we have to look at which one is grammatically correct. Les poires are actually feminine. La poire is feminine, so les poires is also gonna be feminine, but feminine plural. So in this case, the answer is A, laisser, with the E and the S at the end. Next, après je me suis habillée. Après je me suis habillée. Alright, let's look at the answers. So the most appropriate answer is C. Après m'être baigné, je me suis habillée. Alright, so the reason why this is the answer is that there is a grammatical structure called après être and après avoir. So usually in a grammatical form, après être is more appropriate. So here we're using reflexive, and that's where we're at. Après m'être baigné, je me suis habillée. The sentence reads, after I have bathed myself, I put on my clothes. Next. Silence, je veux te une question. Silence, je veux te une question. So looking at all four verbs here, A to D. And by looking at them, A is the most appropriate answer. So we know that B means to ask, right? But in French, the fixed expression that you're going to see on the screen right now, poser une question means to ask a question, right? So they don't use demander une question, no. You have to use the verb poser une question, that means to ask a question. So that's what the answer is, A. Let's move on. Pourvu que tu ici l'heure, tu me verras. Pourvu que tu ici l'heure, tu me verras. Provided that you come here on time, you will see me, right? So here what we're using, which knowledge that we're using to get the right answer is knowledge of grammar, proper grammar in French. So here we have the subjunctive, pourvu que, which is a trigger rather of the subjunctive, which is a particular mood in French. So once you see pourvu que, you have to use a subjunctive form in French, and that's why the answer is B. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and also we are open to video suggestions. If there's a video idea you want us to create, then make sure you leave it down below. Moving on. Il faut que nous sages quand le professeur n'est pas ici. Il faut que nous sages quand le professeur n'est pas ici. So it is necessary, or we must behave ourselves when the professor or when the teacher is not here. So here's another trigger for the subjunctive. So the answer is c'est soyons. Another trigger is il faut que. So we also have learned pourvu que, right? And il faut que. So the answer here is c'est les subjunctives used. Jean est le garçon le plus intelligent de la classe. Jean est le garçon le plus intelligent de la classe. So the answer here is C. He's the most intelligent in the class. The most intelligent boy in the class. The answer is C. Don. Alright, let's move on to the second part of the quiz where we're going to test your knowledge of les matières. Alright, so you're going to be seeing on the screen some pictures that describe different subjects. So based on your knowledge of les matières, you're supposed to select which one would be correct. So let's go. L'anglais. L'anglais. That means English. L'espagnol. L'espagnol. Spanish. Les maths. Les maths. Math. La chimie. La chimie. Great. Chemistry. La biologie. La biologie. Biology. L'informatique. L'informatique. Great. IT. L'histoire. L'histoire. History. Les pays. Les pays. Excellent. PE. L'allemand. L'allemand. German. Great. L'instruction religieuse. L'instruction religieuse. Religious education. La musique. La musique. Music. La physique. La physique. Next. La géographie. La géographie. Next. Le dessin. Le dessin. Art. L'atelier de théâtre. L'atelier de théâtre. Great. Drama. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day and make sure you check out the other videos to help you prepare. À bientôt!